If you want to update your Sony WH-1000XM5, you can for sure do this. First of all, you will have to be connected into this Sony application. So let me show you what is the name. Let's input Sony phrase, and this is the application that you will have to actually use with your WH-1000XM5. You will have to open this application, and now you will have to go into My Device, basically into main page. You have to be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and as you can see right here, you will get this information about latest audio device software. So you will have to tap here. Now you can find the version of the update, some base information, what it basically does, and to start you will have to click right here in the right bottom corner. And now as you can see right here, we can find downloading and transferring process. If it is not working, you can also try to go into device settings and go into system, and right here you can try to turn off download software automatically, because sometimes it's not working properly. And once you actually turn it off, then switch off your headphones, switch on them back and restart application, you should actually get this automatic update right here. And that's basically how it looks. Thanks for watching.